Hey guys, welcome back. We thought we would do a install video with our new FD in-tank surge tank design. We know that the FD struggle with fuel starvation after about 3/4 of the tank. They have some pretty bad issues, so we've come up with a solution. It's a cost-effective solution, so you can still run a external pump inside this, and it pretty much solves all your issues. So this is pretty much what it is. 316 stainless, marine grade. So essentially it's a two-piece design, so you can get it inside the tank. It is quite a tight fit to get them together, but they slide together like so. So essentially they've got a little trapdoor on the bottom there, keeps the fuel inside the surge tank. So we'll show you a step-by-step way of installing this now. So essentially you pull the fuel pump out like so, pretty simple. The first thing you need to do is take the sender unit off the pluck-up hanger, like so. Undo that bolt off there. Don't put this onto this just yet because you've got to do it as two-piece. There is a little bit of process. So split it. Then you've got to slide it in an angle so you can get it into the tank. So you can see why we've made it as a two-part design. Slides in like so. Sits inside the factory plastic cradle that's in there. So essentially the flow of the fuel comes from over there, and then it's also always force fed into the surge tank. So yeah, gravity fed. Then we get our next piece. You'll see on here that this one is actually smaller than this side. So the reason behind that is because that is where the sender unit now goes onto that. So put this piece in here. Sender unit goes to this side of the tank. The fun part of trying to get it together. Alright, next step is you'll see that you have 3 little screws here. These mount through the factory hole nicely. The other top 2 you have to drill out to a 3.5mm hole. So we'll put it through like so. That goes on the back side of the surge tank, so it's a bit difficult to see. We'll show you some photos in a second. You can see me struggle for a second trying to put this on with my big hands. Sweet, so just dummy fitted in there for now. But you can see in there, sender unit still locates in the same place, and then you can slide it across so it's right against the side, and then essentially goes that way. And that fuel pump just locates back in there, just like that. It's pretty simple. Easy solution, cheap and affordable.